Welcome! In this quick guide, I'll show how to disable wallpaper rotation on the Telegram desktop app using the latest update. If your chat background keeps changing and you'd rather keep things simple and static, this setting is exactly what you need. First, go ahead and open your Telegram app on your PC. Make sure it's updated to the latest version so you can follow along without any issues. Once the app is open, look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see three horizontal lines, often called the menu icon. Click on that to open the main menu. From the menu, select Settings. This will take you to a new panel where you can customize different parts of your Telegram experience. Inside Settings, scroll down a bit until you find the section labeled Battery and Animations. Click on it to open more options related to performance and visual effects. Now, here's where the key changes happen. First, find the option called Animation in Chats and turn it off. Disabling chat animations helps reduce motion effects and can also improve performance slightly. Next, look for the wallpaper rotation setting. If it's currently enabled, go ahead and toggle it off. This stops Telegram from automatically switching your chat background over time